Nope, not the game changer. Nope, no shower or bar here. But is Emirates' older 777 first class product still worth it? There's only one way to find out, and let's do it with our new friend ChatGPT, who may write me a rap song about this later. Today's journey starts at the Marhaba Lounge, as Emirates does not have its own lounge in Manila. I'll quickly zip through and show you the small and cozy space and the food and drinks they have available, but keep in mind that I wasn't expecting too much here. You see, between this first class flight on the old 777 to Dubai and my connecting first class flight on Emirates' A380 going to New York, I only paid $4,000 in total. Why are Emirates first class flights so cheap out of Manila year round? I don't know, but let's see if ChatGPT does. Why are first class flights for Emirates so cheap flying out of Manila? Okay, well, that's too much. Can you please summarize the response in 2 sentences? Okay, so basically it's saying stimulate demand, compete with other airlines, or because airport costs in Manila may be lower. Sort of helpful, I guess. Alright, let's head to the gate and check out for ourselves what this first class Emirates experience is all about. And welcome everyone to Emirates' 777-300. If your vision of Emirates first class is glitzy and goldy galore, you won't be disappointed even in this older first class product. My seat today is 1 Alpha, and yes, go ahead and say it, bling bling. Now obviously this is not the new game changer, but the suite is exactly like the one you'll find in the A380. You've got the same plush seat, same smart pad to control your seat and massage controls, and of course, decent storage and power options all around. The suite also features the same outrageously oversized tray table, and don't you worry, you can still get your Instagram shots of Emirates' signature minibar even on this older first class product. And lastly, one of my favorite features, closing my suite doors to enjoy this luxury in private. Now obviously, just because you're on the older first class product doesn't mean you get different champagne. Now last time apparently I butchered pronouncing Dom P, so this time I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help me out here. How do you pronounce Dom P? Okay, here we go. Dom Perignon. Dom Perignon. There, hopefully I got that right, or I'm going to pay the price again on the comment section. First order of business after takeoff is the hot towel service. Next up, you're treated to some warm nuts and another glass of the $500 Dom Perignon. Here's a look at the menu, and to the right you'll find the appetizers. I'm sure you guys know which one I'm already eyeing. And here's the rest of the menu, of course followed by their impressive selection of wines that will go along with your fantastic first class meal. Tray out, white tablecloth in, and these toppings I'm about to show you only leads to one very dirty path: unlimited caviar goodness. Yes, just like in the new game changer and in the A380, all first class passengers get access to unlimited goodness of caviar. Now on my last Emirates video, someone asked where Emirates gets their caviar from. ChatGPT, what do you think? Let's see, exact source depends on availability and cost, typically from sturgeon and Caspian and Black Seas. Not helpful at all. Well, back to dinner. For my main course, I had the red spot emperor fish. This is supposed to be considered a delicacy. I thought it was cooked well, but I wouldn't categorize it as special. Now, the dessert, on the other hand, was crazy special. This is an orange and almond cake, and the combination of sweet, citrus, and crunch were out of this world. What an incredible meal that was. Hey, ChatGPT, why are Emirates first class meals so special? Let's see, exceptional quality, premium ingredients, and attention to details. And curated selections of wine and champagne. Yeah, that's spot on, ChatGPT. Time to check out the Amenity Kit. which comes in this luxurious Bulgari bag that includes dental and grooming items, as well as expensive cologne and luxury skincare products from Bulgari. Now for the bathroom review. Unfortunately, this is different from the A380. No spa-looking, spacious bathroom, but at least fully stocked with the same kits and products. Time to change into these luxurious Emirates PJs, and while I was away, the amazing F-18 even prepped my extra comfy bed for me. I specifically love this because of the thick bedding and blankets you get, and also as the lights go out in the cabin, I love the starry ceiling setup. This is luxury at its finest. That bed was so comfortable, I totally slept through several rounds of unlimited caviar I wish I would have had during this flight. Oh well, time to get ready for landing in Dubai, and before wrapping up this trip report, I wanted to share two quick things. First, yes, this is the older first class product. This doesn't have the fancy bar or shower that the A380 has, nor is this the new game changer suite that everyone is raving about, but not much else is different beyond that. You still have the amazing suite, the glammy mini bar, expensive champagne, and of course the unlimited caviar. For the price I paid for this flight, I am 100% happy with this Emirates first class experience. Now lastly, as we land, I do want to leave you a treat. Here's a very special rap about Emirates first class, written by my new friend ChatGPT, in the style of Drake. DJ, hit that music. Listen up, y'all. I got a story to tell about a flight that'll take you straight to heaven. You won't even have to yell. Gonna take a trip on Emirates first class all the way. Sit back, relax, let the good times roll and play. With a smile on my face, got no worries in sight, cause Emirates knows how to treat their passengers right. First class, it's a vibe. Got me feeling so fly. Everything I need, all in one ride. Comfort and style, ain't nothing like it. Emirates first class, now that's that ticket.